Welcome everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of hydrogen fuel cells, a revolutionary technology that could change the way we power our future. You might have heard about hydrogen fuel cells in the context of clean energy vehicles, but what exactly are they? Let's break it down. A hydrogen fuel cell converts chemical energy from hydrogen into electricity through a chemical reaction with oxygen. This process produces only water as a byproduct. How cool is that? In this project, you will learn how to build a basic hydrogen fuel cell using safe and accessible materials. Here's what you'll need. 2 electrodes, either platinum or carbon-based, a proton exchange membrane, a hydrogen gas source, an oxygen source like air, connecting wires, and a multimeter to measure voltage. Step 1. First, place the proton exchange membrane between the 2 electrodes. This membrane allows protons to pass through but blocks electrons. Step 2. Connect your hydrogen gas source to one side of the cell and your oxygen source to the other. Step 3. Make sure all your connections are secure and then connect your multimeter to measure the voltage output of your fuel cell. As you work on your project, you might encounter challenges. That's part of the learning process. Collaborate with your classmates to solve problems and come up with innovative solutions. Once your fuel cell is assembled, it's time to test it. You should see a voltage output as the chemical reaction occurs. This is the electricity generated by your fuel cell. Remember to document your results and any observations during the testing process. This will be valuable for your final presentation. After you've completed your project, it's time to share your findings with the class. Create a presentation that explains how your fuel cell works, the challenges you faced, and the potential impact of hydrogen fuel cells on our energy future. Hydrogen fuel cells represent a clean and sustainable energy source that could help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By engaging in this project, you are not just learning about science, you are becoming part of the solution for a cleaner, greener planet. So, get excited, get creative, and let's fuel the future together with hydrogen. Thank you for joining this STEM project adventure.